Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to share something special with you. If you're into trading or investing, then you need to check out 360trading.com, a revolutionary platform offering everything from online brokerage to prop trading and even professional asset management. Let's dive into the incredible account types they create just for you. Online brokerage account. Let's start with the online brokerage account, the bread and butter of trading. Whether you're trading Forex stocks, synthetic indices, or commodities, this account gives you access to real-time market data, advanced trading tools, and the tight spreads to maximize your performance. It's perfect for everyday traders looking for a readable and efficient trading experience. Copy trading futures. Not a pro yet? No problem. With a copy trading on 360trading.com, you can replicate the strategies of professional traders. Simply choose from a top-performing Traders Connect your account and watch your portfolio grow. All with zero stress. It's trading made easy for everyone. Booster accounts. Now, this is where things get really exciting. Booster accounts imagine multiplying your trading capital without risking your own funds, whether you choose 10x, 100x, or 200x multipliers. These accounts are perfect for trading on prop trading challenges and unlocking higher earning potential. It's game changer for ambitious traders. Asset management. And if trading isn't your thing, but you still want your money to grow, 360trading.com offers asset management. With this service, professional funds managers handle your investment, ensuring stable and profitable returns without lifting a finger. Sit back, relax, and let the experts do the work for you. So, whether you're an active trader and beginner looking to learn, or someone who wants their investment managed professionally, 360trading.com has something for everyone. Ready to get started? Click the link below to learn more and create your account today. Your trading journey starts here. 360trading.com, your gateway to smarter trading.